The burger, probably the most popular sandwich on earth today. There's so many variations out there, from your stuffed burgers to your double cheeseburgers, but today we're making a smash burger with the soon-to-be famous RFD sauce. I'm Sebastian Regester, and this is Regester for Dinner, so stay tuned. But before we start smashing some beef, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the RFD gang. Now let's get started. The first step into making an epic smash burger is making the famous RFD sauce. Start off by adding half a cup of mayonnaise to your bowl, a third of a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, as much or as little finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, pinch of salt, a couple shakes of some garlic powder, and then a couple dashes of Chipotle Tabasco. That's my little secret. It'll add a nice smoky flavor to your sauce. And give it a good whisk. You're gonna wanna let this sit in the fridge for at least half an hour, but the longer the better. Moving on to the star of the show, the boiga. So what I have here is I have a pound of 80/20 unseasoned ground beef that I went ahead and divided into 4 portions, so 1/4 pound each, and I'm going to make actually a double smash burger. So I have my flat top, as you can see, is starting to lightly smoke, set at about 400 degrees. You're gonna wanna get it nice and blistering hot to develop that crust. So I'm gonna take 2 patties. Listen to that sizzle. Sit them on the flat top, let them cook for a couple of seconds to help develop that crust, and then it's smashing time. So now that it's developed a crust, I'm gonna take a muddler and spatula. This is a bartender muddler, and I'm just going to start smashing them down onto the flat top. Season generously with salt, and you're gonna wanna let these cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, and then flip them. All right, so it's been about 2.5 minutes or so, and you can see that the bottom is starting to develop a nice brown crust, which is what we want. So it's time to flip these bad boys. Perfect. This is that quintessential crust that you look for when you're making a smash burger. But now it's time for the cheese. I'm gonna scoot these bad boys over to one side of the flat top because it's also time to toast your buns. Perfect. Now it's time for assembly. So to start the assembly process, we're gonna layer the bottom bun with some of this delicious, soon-to-be famous RFD sauce. Grab 1 patty, patty number dos. And guys, if you haven't checked out my video on how to make these delicious sweet and spicy pickles, there'll be a link down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. But go ahead and layer the top of your burgers with some pickles. Make sure to get some extra RFD sauce because you can never have too much sauce, am I right? And place it on top. And there you have it, the perfect RFD double smash burger. So good. You get the crust from the patty, outstanding. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, my name is Sebastian Regester, and this is Regester for Dinner. If you enjoyed today's video and can't wait for us to cook something else up, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe. But until next time, stay hungry, my friends. I'm gonna finish this burger.